Hey guys, it's Aubrey and
Kaylee
from the BreeKay show, and today we'll be
mixing my unicorn slimes, and then we'll be doing a slime smoothie.
So yeah.
I'm really sad too, because I legit just made this today.
So basically, all these slimes over
I'll
here
show them in a second.
that you guys can't see are going to be mixing of her Kaylee's. Sorry, no, text me. And so yeah, let's get into the video. So what are we doing first? Slime smoothie or mixing the unicorn slimes?
I think we should make the unicorn slime.
Okay, let me put my.
I don't know which one I want to mix.
Yeah, because I think this one's bigger, so I think you should do it. Like, you should do the bigger one.
I know, but this looks very pretty. Like, look, show them.
So here's around this.
In the middle, it's so pretty.
Whatever you want to do.
I know, it's very hard to choose.
Just pick one.
Let me try this one.
Guys, look now.
This is my other unicorn slime. It's very pretty, though. All right, I'll mix. Which one do you really want to mix?
I really love
I really want to mix that one. How about we split each and we both mix each?
it. Alright, oh. Wait, but they're sticky.
Some of it is sticky. All of it's not sticky.
I'll just let you mix this one.
Oh, gee.
This is an ugly one.
Ah!
Oh my god, this is getting glitter all over our counter.
Oh my god.
Guys, comment down below if you saw
This
the
is
rocket
so gonna
launch
turn
today.
pink. This is really gonna turn pink, I can already tell.
Yeah.
Pink
It's
or
like a
purple?
coral.
Yeah, like a coral.
This is turning like poop.
Yeah, kinda.
There was definitely a bad slime in this. I could feel it.
Yeah, it's not clear slime. It's really bad.
Was it pink?
No.
Oh, I think the pink slime's bad.
You can take the bad slime out if you want.
So this is how this one's looking so far.
And this is how this one's looking so far.
And there's a big glitter mess. You guys can kind of see it like right around there. That's pretty.
Thanks.
And that slime that I was playing in the beginning was this slime. And that was a slime smoothie from all my old slimes. Like, her slimes got so old that they were melted, like, into glitter. There was this glitter one in here that made it all glittery. That's the one that was melted.
Oh, no, that wasn't the one that was melted.
Yeah? Remember that one that you were trying to pick up?
The one in the purple top?
No, yeah.
Oh, that's because I put Kool-Aid in.
Oh.
I tried to make it all, like, scented, and I'm like, oh, this is gonna
We
smell
have
good.
scents.
I know, but I don't.
Alright,
really
mine's
like
all
this.
done.
Yeah, mine's all done too.
So this is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine looks like.
Comment down below which one you like better.
I think this one.
Yeah,
I
I like this one better. Let me feel it. Oh yeah.
This one's
Look at
kind
my
of like.
hands. Whenever I play with glitter slime, they always go to the top, like right there. Alright, now time to move.
Oh, and also, guys, this was a unicorn slime, but I mixed it. Or I mixed it. And this
Alrighty.
is also from today.
So,
Barter.
so now let's get into the slime smoothie.
And also, I don't know what I did with this. I'm so sorry. Rest in peace, slimes.
Alright, so what's the first? Here, let's just put this slime and put it right here.
This slime is kind of sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky.
Oh, there's another slime on the bottom.
Yeah, no.
I don't think I want to mix this.
Do it.
We'll mix a little bit. Because I already mixed it in one of the slime, or one of the unicorn
Yeah, this
slimes.
slime.
Yeah, that one. Ew, that turned out like poop color.
I'm already mixing it. Let's not do that. So now let's take a little each of the unicorn. Flop. No.
And
Where do I put this? Next we have this. Is this a strawberry slime?
Yes.
Do I add all of it?
No. And then I'm
This
gonna.
good?
Yeah. I'm gonna add a lot of this slime because I really don't want it to turn. You know what? It would be pretty if it turns out blue.
Yeah.
And then we also have this slime that was added into these slime smoothies. Oh, sorry. We already did that one. Here. Don't add all that, please. Just add a little because I really want this to turn out blue.
So this is the pink one?
Wow, that's sad. It's done.
Already.
Oh, wait, did you? Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, wait.
Split.
Split. Thank you. I'm going right in.
Yeah, this one's gonna turn purple, blue, or brown.
I'm pretty sure that it's gonna turn into like a pinkish, purplish color.
What happens is I get more of this certain color, and mine turns a different color, like mine's turning blue, and hers is turning purple. So then we have to mix it and see what color it makes. Maybe like a dark blue.
Or a dark purple. Alright guys, I'm all done mixing mine.
You're done.
It's a really stretchy slime now.
Now we're gonna break these ones in half. We're gonna try to get an equal amount, so we're gonna roll it into a ball. No, this one has more.
This one has more.
Equal.
Equal.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going right in because I really want to get this done first.
Done.
No, it is not done. I can still see more stuff in there.
Okay, now it's done.
Mm-hmm.
It turned like a gray, purple. It looks a lot gray. It looks like kind of purple, like maroon.
No, it looks great on camera, but it's not.
Yeah, it's like a purple.
Wait, put it like each other's like this?
Same color.
That's fine. Can I just half of this slime back now, please?
Bubble?
Can I have one of these tacos?
Yeah. That's the last taco.
No? Yes, it is.
Because I had two, Amari had one, and then
I'm definitely heating this up. The reason why I'm so hungry is I didn't eat.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. See you, I don't know when. Bye.
Bye.